Hey guys, it's Brian with Nagios Enterprises, and we're covering administration of a Nagios Fusion 4 server. And in this video, we're going to cover data polling and authentication. So we're on the administration homepage, and from here, we're going to navigate to System Settings under the System Configuration section. And we're going to click on the Data and Polling tab. And here we have the Global Authentication Interval and the Global Polling Interval. And these are the intervals at which the authentication for your Fuse servers is checked, and also the interval at which the data is pulled for those servers. So these are the global settings, and you are able to override these settings on a per server basis. But now there is some configuration that is only globally applied, and that is everything under this polling configuration section. So you do have a couple hints here for each one of these sections. If you just mouse over the little question mark, it'll give you some detailed information about what each one does. These are the defaults that come with Nagios Fusion 4. Just to go into what each one of these means briefly, the polling subsystem memory limit allows you to override the default PHP memory limit when the PHP subsystem is running. Now the simultaneous pollers is there for you to be able to increase the amount of pollers you have, and this number will probably need to go up the more Nagios XI or Nagios Core servers that you fuse. The live data timeout setting is the length of time that Fusion waits for the data back from a remote server. So 45 seconds is probably enough. If you have to increase that, then you really need to contact support and let us know about the issues that you're having. Now, the polling lock max age is the maximum amount of time that a poller can take while grabbing data from a Fuse server. So when the poller launches in the back end, this is the amount of time potentially that it can take for it to grab the data from the Nagios XI or Nagios Core server. Again, if it reaches this maximum amount of seconds, then you should contact support and have us take a look at whatever issues you're facing. And the poll record count is simple. This is the amount of records that are grabbed in a single call to any of your remote Fuse servers. Now we also have the database retention settings down here. This is the maximum amount of time to retain log data in the database. And by default, the maximum amount of time is 5 days. So if you want to retain your log data in your database for longer than that, then you simply adjust that setting and click Update Settings. If you had any problems, check out the support forum, support.nagios.com/forum, or check out the related content on the YouTube channel. And that's it for data polling and authentication. Thanks, guys.